Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What? We have a 2006 Camry with over 300,000 miles. That looks like shit. Like actual shit. Okay. I don't know what to say. Is that? Let me know in the comments, guys. I'm not gonna smell it. I'm not gonna taste it. I just think it's. I don't see any FIFO action. I definitely see a lot of rust. I'm definitely looking at a stressed out manifold right there. Looks like there was a power steering leak at one point. Minor valve cover leak, or from some Goomba doing oil changes. Oh, we can see some corrosion on the starter connector there. Let's see, we got any on the, none on the terminal. No, not for nothing. It's in decent shape for over 300K. It could be worse. You could have Shrek piss as brake fluid. let's see how the transmission fluid is. Oh, it's there, and it's not black. Good. Smells, but all right, cool. You know what comes next? Let's take it up top. So now that we took it up top, we're gonna look around. We're gonna look around at this transmission leak, and if you can see it past the transmission, that line is a piston as well. Tires, well, they're not looking good. We got some abnormal wear on the inside. We have an sway bar end link open to everything. So yeah, we got a leak there, but we got an even bigger leak over here. Look, you could tell the freaking grade of oil based off of how much is on this subframe. That's 5W30. Subframe's not rusting. Not at all. Oh, it's coating the rack too. Very good. Power steering pump, not leaking. This tire, not looking good either. Well, at least that sway bar, oh no, never mind, sway bar's not looking good either. Well, it's, wow, the whole freaking back of the car, the whole center of the car is coated in oil. Wonderful. But this side's not. And, what's going on here? Are these lines melted, or did they just go over something? Let me know in the comments. What does that look like? I think it looks melted, but I don't know. But you can see with the exhaust, this side got oil on it, and this side don't. So not for nothing, maybe the right side of the car, or the driver's side of the car, is going to be more rusty. Let's see. Because you know, the further we go back, the further into flavor country we go. And I can see that backing plate and drum is not that healthy. Neither is the shock. Oh, but look, the shock is leaking. You can see by the discoloration that if I wipe this, yep, that's all wet, giggity. How about this side? Nice and freaking dry. Oh, yep, backing plate is getting holy. But it looks like it's in better shape. I guess I was wrong. The driver's side looks a little better than the passenger side. And at least it does back here. Up front, the passenger side's better. Let's go look at it. It's all oil. That's all oil. It's lubricating everything on the passenger side of the vehicle. This is lubricating on the driver's side. It's not leaking enough though. Cool. Alright guys, you know what to do. Please like, subscribe. Oh, hit that bell notification for further content.